So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to practice about future simple tense. So you are the one who want to learn from basics from scratch and you want to have concept for your spoken English guys, not for other purpose. If you want to speak English fluently and you don't have any concept that from where you have to start, then let me inform you that for starting your spoken English, you must have to start with tense and you must have some concept of tense. Then only you can start easily to communicate with people, how you should how you can make sentences while communicating with people. So for that purpose you don't have to master on it. For speaking English you just have to concept about this tenses. Earlier I have shared about present and past related tenses that was needed to learn to practice that you can make sentences. So if you are the one who joined today, so go watch that videos, then come on this video and just start. And keep in mind that after having some concept of these tenses while communicating, if you are making mistakes, then don't, it doesn't matter, don't think much, don't overload, just keep continuing, because somewhere if you start speaking you can make mistake, and this is the part of learning guys. Yeah, this is the part of learning. If you are making mistake, then you can think that yes, I am improving day by day, because someone are waiting to start to communicate but they are not able to communicate, but you have started and you are making mistake and you are observing that yes, here I am making mistake, so you can correct it later on. But the main thing is that you have some guts to communicate, to start the journey to communicate, and for that you just have some concept. For that purpose I keep sharing. So let's get started, and some tips I will share in the last of the video, that what should you do to start your communication with people. So let's first start our tense. About it's all about future simple tense, and this is the most simplest tense, I think, most easiest and simplest, you can understand easily. Like when we have to say in Hindi, I will eat, मैं खाऊंगा, मैं गाऊंगा, मैं ये वर्क पूरा करूंगा, मैं ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा करूंगा, मैं जाऊंगा, I will, जा रहे या नहीं जा रहे, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for prediction, for future, what you are going to do, and for planning, what you are making plan for future, for tomorrow, for next day, after tomorrow, this all come in future simple tense. Yeah, and what is the syntax, what are the rules to use future simple tense? And it's a very simple, is subject plus will, will, will plus verb 1. Did you get it? So it's all about subject plus will plus verb 1, and how we can use in sentence. Let me give you an example that will be very helpful to understand in your English learning journey to me. So like I, subject is I, will, will plus complete, I will complete. And now you can add anything, any object, like this work, I will complete this work, I will do it later, I will go there tomorrow. And some phrases are there guys, some words like tomorrow, after next day, after 2 weeks, and future related some words. If you are getting, then you can understand that you have to use will word with that. Okay, Like tomorrow, I will go there tomorrow. The next day, I have to complete my work next day. Okay, so you have to use like that. I will and any verb first root, not any others form, just first form of verb. Like eat, don't use at or eaten. I will eat, I will do, I will finish, I will complete, I will dance, I will work, I will practice. So you can practice, just make some sentences by using these phrases, by using the rules that I have shared with you, like I will, verb 1, and try to practice it in front of camera and make sentences. Or you don't want to make sentences or communicate in front of camera, then go stay towards your mirror and speak 5 or 6 sentences by using this phrase or by using this sentence. And the negative part of this tense is subject plus will plus not plus verb 1. Like I will not go there, I will not work, I will not finish this work, I will not complete, I will not any verb. You just want to use verb 1, you have to use verb 1. Just use before the verb 1 and after will you have to use not to make sentence negative. Okay, and if you want to make this question by using this like क्या तुम जाओगी, will you go there, then you have to use will in the first of the sentence. Will you go there, will verb plus subject plus verb 1. Okay, helping verb will plus subject plus verb 1. Will you go there, will you finish, will you do, will you finish it. So like that you can make sentence by using future simple tense. It's all about will. You must have to use will in that sentence, and then can only you can say that yeah, you are speaking about future, your prediction, planning, you are using simple. When it seems that you are going to about future, like you are going to initially you will start thinking in Hindi in your mind, like मैं गा रहा हूँ, मैं खा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं काम कर मैं गाऊंगा, मैं खाऊंगा, सॉरी आई विल जा रहा हूँ, नॉट जा रहा हूँ, आई विल गो, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं काम करूँगा, मैं काम को फिनिश करूँगा, मैं ये काम करूँगा. देन व्हेन यू सी गा गी गी एंड लास्ट में कोई काम करूँगा, जाऊँगा, नहाऊँगा, whatever it will be, so just use will. I will do, I will this, I will do that, I will do this. So you can make sentence by using will, and this is the simplest. And yeah, this is the concept of future simple tense to learn very fast. The core I have shared, the core thing of this tense I have shared with you. Nothing needed to more know about this tense. Just use for planning for future simple tense you should use. And by using this tense you have to make sentences. And the tips of the day is to improve yourself by making 5 or 4 sentences in front of camera or by Google. You are not able to make sentence by using, then go Google it, see some sentences and try to speak it. And must, this is the one must thing you have to do, that go use some app, calling app, that you can communicate with people. Or if you are not able to communicate, then just go to communicate with ChatGPT, some AI tool. This is the main thing, tips and tricks you can improve yourselves. But I prefer initially if you talk with people, then it will be very helpful to you because it's the practical. Later on you can switch to ChatGPT AI tools, and initially you can communicate with but you must have to speak with people for 5 minutes only. This is the only way you can improve drastically, guys. So just keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining. Thank you. Bye bye. And one thing I'd like to share, that I keep sharing my data analytics courses like Excel, Power BI, and later on SQL. So if you want to interested to grow in your career and do something in your life and want to make dashboards, what is the demand in companies, you can create by learning. So I keep sharing in my YouTube videos in YouTube channel. So if you are interested, guys, then don't miss my channel, don't miss my videos. Keep subscribing and keep watching my video. I will be there to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.